Hi guys, welcome back to Aubrey's World. Today I'm going to show you how to find the ultra rare Boy Next Door. He is ball number 9 from the bottom layer of the box. He weighs 117 grams. His clue is spoon. Here's his whole family. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Aubrey's World. Bye.